Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday, the 19th of January 2019. This is just one of my daily videos where I go over what I've done this morning. Basically, I'm trading on the 6-hour, 12-hour and daily charts. And I'm trading both the Mod MACD and the high probability methods. A little bit of action this morning, mainly just trade management, but there was one new trade. So we'll have a look at that. Go to the daily Mod MACD profile first. It's on a different platform. This is the CAD Swiss franc. I was previously in a sell from this level here. Went down nicely. You can read my notes. A little bit hard to read because I'm moved monitors and it's all moved over to one side. But basically, sold 0.03. Closed 0.02 back on the 23rd of November and set a stop, moved my stop down. My stop was actually at this level here. Well, this morning I've closed that sell trade, so that sell trade is no longer in play, and I'm taking a new buy trade. So the new buy trade, a little bit late this morning because I get up about an hour and a half after the market. The new daily candle forms. But as you can see, fast MACD's definitely through the zero level. Standard MACD's in an up mode. Already got a green dot on the QMP filter down here. Price closed above the 25 SMA. The only problem is it is a higher risk trade as I am trading against the 240 LMA. Not necessarily a bad thing. It just means I'm going into that 240 LMA, so that'll be sort of my first sort of target area. That's a CAD Swiss franc, just swap from a sell to a buy on the daily MM charts or Mod MACD charts. Let's have a look at my other platform. This is an MT5 platform. We'll go to the 12-hour Mod MACD charts. We'll start with a Euro NZ. I was in a sell here. As you can see, that sell has been closed. Took a loss, I think it's about 80 pip loss, which is nothing on this pair. So then I'd be looking for a buy, but there's not enough criteria. Even though the fast MACD is above the zero level that's the main criteria, but I need at least 2 out of 3 of the others. The standard MACD is still in sell mode, so doesn't mean met. I haven't got a green QMP filter dot. That's the second one that hasn't been met. Even the price did close above the 25 SMA so that's the only criteria it's been met, which is not enough for me to take that buy trade. So I'll just hold that loss, and it's possible that this could roll over down back to the sell side where I can just take another sell trade, or it could give me enough criteria to take a buy trade. But in the meantime, you just got to sit and wait. I'll make some notes on my chart so I know what I'm looking for, and I'll come back to it at a later date. So it's the Euro New Zealand. The Mod MACD 12-hour sell is being closed for a loss. All right, USD CAD. There it is. All right, this thing's been on a screaming downtrend. I'm in a sell. This is a 12-hour Mod MACD chart, which is good. Even though it's a big candle, I was a bit reluctant. Happy I took it. Now price is getting very close to 240 LMA, very close to it, as you can see, and the fast MACD starting to turn a little, and the standard MACD starting to lose a little bit of momentum. So I'm just cutting my risk here. So I've closed half of this trade. So I've closed half the sell, and I've put a stop in place up here, just above this where the 25 SMA rolls over. So I can't lose on this trade. Closed half there. There's my stop. Even though it's on the other side of the entry level, I've made up for it more than enough on that half close there. So that's a USD CAD 12-hour Mod MACD. Just taking half off the table, so to stop. Go across to the 6-hour Mod MACD charts. We'll go to the Great British Pound Aussie first. In a sell here, come down nicely, sort of pulled back up a bit, and but now dropped down, and it got to the 25 simple moving average. Sorry, I'll start again. Got to the 240 LMA, which to me is a bit of a danger zone. It could bounce there, may not. But anyway, I'm going to reduce my risk. I've closed half of that sell trade at this level this morning, and I'm putting stock in place just above these highs here, which is above the entry level and just above the 25 SMA. So again, put myself in a no lose position. So that's the pound Aussie 6-hour mod MACD. And finally, AusCAD 6-hour mod MACD. Just have a quick look at my notes here. All right, it's in a sell back here. This is one I had a previous loss on, so I went in with a 0.30 sell. That black dash line was my loss recovery level. So that was to recover that 62 pips. Had to go to that level, and there I closed 0.20. So LR stands for loss recovery. So that was done nicely. So easily got my loss back. There's a flash crash. Look at that. Unbelievable candle. And now we're starting to stutter a bit. It's price is staying under the 25 SMA. It just, even though I've got a red dot on the QMP filter, you can see it just looks like it's losing momentum. So I'm just hedging my bets here. I'm closed 0.05 on that remaining 0.1. So I've closed half my remaining sell trade, and I've put a stop in place, which is actually below the entry level. You can see it, it's the actual black dotted line. So I'll get rid of this. So you can see it's a black dotted line. That's normally my stop on these charts. So it's just above this sort of little fractal little group of highs here, and well above the 25 SMA. So it's good, it's locking in profit there. I think that's about it. Just looking at my notes. So thanks for watching the video, guys and gals. If you like these videos, please subscribe, or at least hit the like button. And as usual, you're more than welcome to join the private Facebook group. I post all these trades in there, including the screenshots. And happy to be of assistance anytime I can, either via email, Facebook group, or the Telegram group. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. Have a good day.